cool. They have like different flavors now.
I like the original.
I think that's the original. Yeah, that's the original, like, milk chocolate. Oh, man, that's good. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Move the marshmallows.
You can move around. Yeah, move around. Totally want to do that. We're trying to make them all break up for make it easier. We'll see. Yeah, however you want to get that set up. Ben, are you excited for this one?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you think of this? This is pretty good. That's pretty. I like that. The Kit Kat. Yeah.
My mouth is watering up.
I know, right? That Kit Kat is like, oh man. Okay.
Is this yours?
Are we ready?
Red man.
Yeah, all right. Okay, on the count of 3.
Can I move the bucket around?
You can move up to where you want. Yes, go. And I want you to be staring at it, get do your count. I'm only count with individual ones that go in there. So if you get 2 or 3, throw there and you get that one. Okay, on the count of 3.
Did you guys do it?
1,
Versus...
2, 3. 1. There we go. Let's just move it. 2, 3, 4. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
The bucket closer.
Ooh, 22, 23,
The bucket closer.
24, 25, 26, 26. Oh, it's hard, folks. 27, 28, 29. Oh, see that? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 1 minute down, 35, 36, 36,
Fast,
37, 38, 39. Oh, it's getting close, folks. Oh, look at that. You almost got it. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. How's that time going? 46, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63,
He's gonna do it.
64, 65, 66, 67,
5 seconds.
68, 69, 70, 71, and 2. Done.
All right, yeah. Hey!
72.
Way to go!
Get a round of applause for 72. Oh my God. That's great. Can we get a picture with her favorite? Absolutely. Yes. Show it, make sure the whole world, who the rats will see that. They're gonna be like, oh no, I'm the dirty champion. I don't want to like That's pretty amazing there, right? That's 4 pounds on Kit Kat.
There you go.
Definitely take it in.
Good job.
Congratulations, wife.